How to make $400 per day on Shopify in just 4 weeks time. Yes, you can do exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video and profit and get to $400 per day and beyond all in 4 weeks time. Here's proof showing you right here or right now. I'm going to pop this up on the screen for you guys. New client of mine walked through the exact same process that I'm going to be going over with you guys on this video. So if you're trying to get started in e-commerce, if you want to be able to make a record-breaking profit in a very short amount of time, this video is for you. Don't go anywhere. Get your pens, paper out, and let's get straight into it. What up guys, Ben Obrick here, back with another video. Really excited because today I'm going over a client's Shopify store that I've never shown you guys before, and I want to walk you through the process. So just to show you proof, and I want to make sure that I am recording. Yes, I am recording. Let's go back in time. So I want to go back to the beginning of December when we really first started this store, and it didn't really have a whole lot going on it, okay? So look at in December. We started to dabble in here. We had a $100 day. We had a $77 day, and you can see that there was really nothing going on in the beginning of December, okay? So it's towards the end of January now. Let's look at the end of December as things started to pick up. So started the store in the beginning of December, and as you can see, very small day, really nothing. Very small day, really nothing. And then we start picking up around the 21st, carry it out, and by the end, we have a $400 day on December 31st, $425. So 4 weeks time, over $400 a day. Let's fast forward into current day. Go from December 17th all the way to current day. I'm gonna give you guys the exact process that we're using, and I'm gonna teach you guys how you can have the opportunity to work with me and get started doing this yourself. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. And if you're that person watching this video right now, you're trying to learn how to make money online, you're trying to learn how to start a Shopify store, you're trying to learn how to take your brick and mortar online, and you just overall, you wanna build a wildly profitable big social brand, you want to be able to monetize your personal brand, you want to be able to develop those 8-figure entrepreneurial and sales skills, I'm your guy, okay? I've trained with Ty Lopez's members. I've been invited to his masterminds at his house. I've spoken on the same stage as Gary Vaynerchuk. I got back from Grant Cardone's headquarters last month. I'm here to help you succeed. I don't want you operating at that 6, that 5-figure, or even single 7-figure level. I want you to truly be successful. I want you to realize that mediocrity is everywhere, hence my new book, American Mediocrity. And I want you guys to have the skills, the knowledge, the mindset, and the ability to be able to invest money, invest time, and put in the commitment to your success. So let's take a look at January here. Now keep in mind, this is on $65 a day in ad spend. I have to laugh at that, $65 a day in ad spend. So look at this, frequent days of 400. Here's a 400 day, here's a 400 day. Today, it's 11 a.m. It's 11 a.m. guys, and $400. Okay? So want you guys to know that this is real, this can work for you. So big question is, how are we doing this? Okay, so I'm gonna go over that with you guys. First of all, you wanna use a good theme. There's Brooklyn, there's conversion. These are Shopify themes that work extremely well. Now, when you work with me, I have a customized theme that I've spent thousands of dollars customizing. I work with you, you get that, and I actually work with you for 8 weeks. We build out this store, just like I've done with Victor here. Now, you want to use Brooklyn or conversion theme. If you want my theme, we can talk about that in just a little bit, so don't go anywhere. And Brooklyn and conversion are designed for mobile optimization because you're gonna have a lot of shoppers that actually shop mobile. As a matter of fact, when Facebook runs ads, they usually actually have this bias towards running it on mobile newsfeed instead of desktop, or instead of a newsfeed that would be what somebody's viewing from a computer. So we do see a lot of shopping happening from mobile users. About 65 to 70% of our sales are from mobile users, actually on their phone, whether they're at home, work, doesn't matter, they're on their phone, okay? So you want a theme that is set up for mobile optimization. Conversion and Brooklyn are really good themes. Secondly, I recommend that you have a niche store, okay? Some people like to do the general stores, which is great. I recommend you have a specialization. Show people that you're an expert of something. So maybe you go into cosmetics, maybe you go into fashion, maybe you go into leggings or yoga pants, maybe you go into like cookware, maybe it's like home supplies and cleaning, office supplies, maybe it's tech, maybe it's like fidget spinners or things like that, okay? So have a niche. And thirdly, you want to have a name, a domain of the store that people like, you get it. You get what it's about, okay? So I have a client that has like a store, I think it's called like Beach Bums or Beachy Bum or Peachy Bum or something like that, sells leggings, all right? It's a very inquisitive, it's a very, it's a domain with implications. It's a store name with implications. You can assume what it's about. So there's some congruency when you type in the domain, you click on it and go over to the store. It makes sense. It all comes together. Now, the other thing that I'm going to recommend to you guys is list multiple products on there. You want to list multiple products. You're not going to be necessarily marketing all the products, but list a bunch of them so you actually look like the content's not thin. There actually is something there. That's going to help to create trust. Now, the other element I'm going to tell you is you want to have product reviews on your product pages, okay? Product reviews on your product pages. The other thing about sourcing products, I'm going to talk to you about sourcing products here, is if you want to profit and start a Shopify store and be able to make profits with a Shopify store, then what you need to do is make sure that you've got a good product page, it's got reviews, and do research on the product that you plan on selling, okay? So go out there and look at people's reviews, look at people's common questions, look at people's objections. For example, we had this mascara that we were selling, okay? And it was selling very well, but we wanted to sell it better. So we went out, we did research, and we found that women were sometimes worried about if the mascara would irritate their skin, or if it would cause acne, or if there'd be breakouts, or if there'd be reactions to it. And so we did research, found that this mascara had only natural ingredients, and then there's some other stuff about like testing makeup products on animals, and that gets into sort of a like an animal rights type of situation. And we found that this particular skincare item was not tested on animals. So we put all this into the product page. It made people like it. It made consumers go, oh, okay, my objections are solved because I was worried about it peeling, or I was worried about it causing a rash, and I see that it's natural ingredients, it's good for my skin, it's okay, and they don't test on animals, great. And that helped to create more trust, and it helped to convert more sales. So that's another thing. Now, the other thing when it comes to sourcing products, so you can start profiting over $400 per day with your Shopify store in record time, you want to make sure that you sell products that are already selling. So build off the backs of the giants. I go to AliExpress, I look at order volume, and then I'll use places like Big Spy or Ecom Hunt to find people that are running ads to that product already. And in a second here, I'm gonna screen share with you one of the best ways to source viral products and know that they're profitable, okay? So I'll use Big Spy, I'll use Ecom Hunt to find Facebook ads that are currently being run that have thousands of likes, comments, and shares, because I can only make the assumption that if a person or a company is spending that much money to get a product out there, that they're only spending that much because it's profitable. So what I wanna show you here is the other secret. This is a method, I freaking love this because anybody can do this. It's so efficient, and I really love this. Now, this works better on a mobile phone, but you can start doing it on a desktop. So you wanna go over to Facebook here, whatever your niche is, think of a product and do this. You start typing it in. So for example, I'm going to type in makeup, okay? And something I've done in the past is I've typed in leggings because I have a client that we're helping out that's going through my e-commerce mentorship program. And in a second, I'll give you the opportunity to be able to work with me through the e-commerce mentorship program. But I typed in leggings because he's selling leggings. So one of the things that I'm doing for him is I typed in leggings, and all I literally have to do is type in makeup, okay? Now I can just go back to my home page. Facebook has now pixeled me knowing that I've at least have some level of interest in makeup, okay? They don't know that I'm just doing it to like find great ads, and not that many people use this strategy. That's why it works really well. So I'll just start scrolling through my feed, and anything that I've really typed in the past will start getting run to me. So we might get lucky and see that there is makeup. See that there's makeup, or see that there's leggings that are being promoted to me. If you do that, Facebook's gonna start running ads to you that it's paid advertisers, it's people that are paying Facebook for ad space, are running products around makeup. So all of a sudden I'm gonna start getting those makeup products run to me, and every single time I see them, I'm now looking. I'm like, okay, is it viral? Does it have tons of likes, comments, shares? What is it? And then what I'll do is I'll just share it to my messages, I'll save it, because then I can later go on when I have time, I can click through that product, go to their site, reverse engineer it, find it on AliExpress, find the product myself, and now I know here's a winning product that's worth me testing and bringing to paid ads, okay? So you'll usually start seeing those ads populate more on mobile newsfeed than you will desktop, but it does happen on desktop. So what you wanna do is you can start using that method on desktop, But what I recommend is you pop over to your phone, you open up your phone, you start scrolling through, and you'll start seeing makeup or leggings or whatever you type in. It's products related to that. Start saving those, and then later on when you get a chance, go home, click on their site, go to their store, all right? And then just go through it, be like, oh my gosh, great. Go see if you can find that product on AliExpress, boom, okay? Another winning secret I'm gonna give you guys, and then I'm gonna invite you guys to have the opportunity to work with me and get mentorship from me, just like Victor did, because Victor paid me to work with me for 8 weeks. And the guy has done over $10,000 in revenue, and his store will be profiting $1,000 a day in the next 3 days here. That's what's so amazing. As a matter of fact, you can see the change here because, for example, yesterday was $349 in sales throughout the whole day. Look at where we're at today so far. We're only halfway through the day. Look at that. And already at 426. Today will be an $800 day. So it makes sense to pay to work with the right people that actually know how to do this. Don't do the guesswork on your own, okay? It's not as simple as it seems. There's a lot of work to do, okay? So the other thing that I'd recommend that you do is when you find one of these ads, not only click on it, but go to the product page and then add it to your cart and then initiate the checkout. Because if this is a big e-commerce ad spender and they're running a successful Shopify store, you're gonna now get their retargeting ads. And the retargeting ads that you get verifies with you that if they're spending money on retargeting that product to you, it's for sure a winner, okay? So what I wanna know is if you guys want the opportunity to work with me and go through my 8-week e-commerce mentorship program where I take you from 0 to making sales within 4 weeks time to profiting all inside 8 weeks, and you're left knowing exactly how to scale and make 5 figures per month or more in e-commerce, then I need you to comment "work with Ben" in the comments below. Now, who's this for? This is only for you if you have at least a couple $1,000s to invest. That's what it takes to start working with me. And it's only for you if you're willing to listen, follow instruction, show up to video meetings for me, and actually want to work with me for the next 8 weeks to get success and get to 5 figures per month with your very first Shopify store. So if you want to get started and profit with Shopify, if you want to start a Shopify store and get your very first profitable e-commerce business going, drop it in the comments, "work with Ben." I'll reply, we'll get you hooked up. I'll get on the phone with you, we'll make sure that it's the right fit for you, and we'll get you going right away. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.